Before you replace it, refresh it. Tubcast Roll-On is a professional bathtub refinishing coating built for homeowners, maintenance teams, and pros who want real results. It bonds directly to old tubs, covers stains and worn finishes, and restores a smooth, like-new surface. The process is simple. Prep, roll it on, and let it cure. No demolition, no tearing out tubs, no expensive contractors. And this isn't paint. Tubcast cures into a tough, durable surface designed to handle real, everyday use. Thousands trust Tubcast to save time, save money, and still deliver a finish they're proud of. Whether you're refreshing one tub at home or dozens across rental units, Tubcast Roll-On makes it easy. Take the 30-second walkthrough and get the exact kit for your tub